Scientists are investigating the effects of a longer ozone hole on penguins, specifically the possibility of them developing cataracts due to increased UV radiation exposure. The thinning of the ozone layer, caused by human activities, has led to an increase in UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. This can be particularly harmful to the eyes of animals, including penguins. Our research suggests that prolonged exposure to higher levels of UV radiation is indeed putting penguins at risk of developing cataracts. This could have serious implications for their ability to navigate and hunt for food.